Hey everyone, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever imagined creating super advanced quizzes with all kinds of question types, a countdown timer, randomized questions, and even customizable certificates, all without touching a single line of code? Sounds cool, right? Well, let's dive in because today I am showing you exactly how you can do that with the Quizmaker plugin. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's hit the start button and take the quiz to see the whole picture of it. Here you see a timer that makes your quiz way more dynamic. Besides, you can see the category of the question. And here is something important. Right after completing the quiz, your quiz takers will see a form where they can enter their details like name and email. This step is super important because it's how they will receive their customized certificate. Now let's check out the certificate your quiz takers get once they complete the quiz and fill out that form. And trust me, it's not just a plain boring certificate. It shows their name, their score, and even their level based on how well they did. Whether they are a beginner, intermediate, or quizmaster, it's right there on the certificate, making it personal and fun. And here is the best part: they can download it, save it, and even share it directly on their social media platform. Imagine your learners showing off their achievements, tagging their friends, and getting them to take your quizzes too. It turns a simple quiz into an engaging, shareable experience, and it's a great way to organically grow your audience. So stick around because I'm about to show you how to get the exact same result on your own site. Let's head over to our WordPress dashboard and start this from scratch together. First thing first, you should install and activate the Quizmaker plugin and then navigate to Questions tab to create questions. We click this Add New button. And here you can see that I have already inserted the information of the questions. You can click this Add Image button and add a question image. Right here is the question. Choose the question type from here, whether it's radio, checkbox, drop-down, text, and so on. Here you write the answer options and then write here the weight point. Insert here the question weight and tick the correct option. You can also choose the question category so everything will be well organized. And then you click the Save and New button to create the next questions. Once you have already created all your questions, navigate to Quizzes, click Add New button. And as I have already an existing quiz, I will show everything on this quiz. So here we write our quiz title, add here an image, and here write a description. Then we click this Insert Questions button and insert our questions. I've already filtered this. We tick these questions and then click Insert Questions button. Now let's head over to the Styles tab. This is where the magic happens when it comes to customizing the look of your quiz. As you see, there are a lot of themes. You can customize the colors of the buttons, background color, text color, button text color to match your brand voice. And here there are a lot of different options. For example, Progress Live Bar Style is my favorite because your quiz takers will see their progress right on the quiz. Now let's jump over to the Settings tab because this is where we can enable one of my favorite features, the timer. Adding a timer makes your quiz way more exciting and adds a little challenge for your participants. Let's choose, for example, 150 seconds. And here we can write an image to display before the timer. For example, hurry up. Here we can enable this randomized questions button, enable randomized answers, and a lot of other features. And to make the quiz results feel a bit more personal, inside the results section you can customize the message that appears after someone finished the quiz. For example, you could write something like "Congratulations, username," and thanks to these message variables, the plugin will automatically insert the participant actual name. Here you can choose the message variable you want. Then we can choose to display the score by percentage, by correct answer count, by weight and point. We can hide score, redirect after submission, and there are a lot of different features with very good explanations. And here we can enable exit button, show the statistical average, and so on. And here we can set different messages based on the user's score, and the message will be displayed on the result page of the quiz. So I have inserted these different messages for different answers. Now let's navigate to limitation user tab. Here there are some options. You can enable whatever you want. Now this user tab is really important because this is where we configure the settings for the form that quiz takers will fill out to receive their certificate. Here you should write an informative title, something like please fill in valid email address for receiving your certificate. You can also choose what fields you want to collect, like their name, email address, phone, and so on. You should just drag and drop this name and email and make them required. And now let's head over to the certificate tab, because this is where we get to customize the certificate your quiz takers will receive. Here let's set a minimum score to receive a certificate. For example, let's set it 3. Here you can write whatever you want and make it bold, italic, and so on. And thanks to these message variables, you can customize and personalize this certificate content. Here you can choose the certificate frame, whether it's horizontal or vertical. Let's choose, for example, this one. And here you should configure your email settings, for example, from which email the certificate will be sent, from which name, the subject of the email, and so on. Let's save all this information and see what we have already created. So we copy this short code, go to posts, click add new post, and insert here our short code. Let's click publish and view this post. So this is what we have created together. And that's it. This was everything you need to know to create an advanced interactive quiz with timers, custom certificates, personalized result messages, and more using the Quizmaker plugin. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.